Hi guys, quick update. Now the dollar yen, it has stopped to the pip at the area I suggested for my main target. Bit annoyed with myself here because I've been showing you how to do this manually. On here on my demo account, all of the profit was taken on this. So that was a total in the end of 375 pips for $2,700. We'll have a look at that in a moment. My live account, I have taken 80% of this trade off and I have left 20% to run, because if it can break this area, we could be on for a massive run. As I showed you here on the weekly, the triangle break suggests the price is going to get up here. So other ones, the euro pound, I am still in the euro pound. I had a very tiny loss on part of it last week and I kept the balance in here. It's still trying to get through this 55 EMA on the weekly. It's been trying all week and it's about 40 pips in profit. Stop is beyond entry, so it either wins or loses. New Zealand yen, now this one I did take off 20% as I showed you before. This one now, the stop is currently locking in 88 pips and it has done 240. I have my main target up here 350 pips and may even adjust this higher. Now this has broken this recent top. So I am going down to a 4 hour now and I am looking at how to manage this. So on the 4 hour we need to readjust the fibs and I always go to the spikes with the fibs unless it's completely extreme. And then here, where to place the stop next? Well, the really conservative would be under this area here when we had a bit of consolidation. Sometimes I just follow up 3 candlesticks behind. Here would be an aggressive one, because then we've got consolidation and movement here. But I'm going to, for now, just go behind this 84.90 and the 50% fib and the 55 EMA. So I'm going to move that stop up now into here. So as I say, I look for multiple reasons for entries, stops and targets, and I now have a multiple reason for the stop. The whole number, the 50% fib, the 55 EMA in an uptrend. If it pulls back, I anticipate it will then continue to move up, as I hope. Final one, Aussie CAD, I showed you the other day, came down to the double bottom. I took off 80% of the trade, but as I explained, I have left 20% to run, because if it breaks here, this could be a significant move down. And again, I may even move that lower down. So for the results, the dollar yen trade made 375 pips, pre-planned, the entry almost to the pip I showed you in here, within 4 or 5 pips. The target I've shown you up here. The New Zealand yen, the 80% I've taken off was $1,160 and the Aussie CAD was 667. Then the euro pound, I had a tiny loss of 17.50 on part of that trade and 383 on the other. And I'm looking at my pad now, the total for that is 4,900. So that is 5% for the month on a 100k account. And remember, I also have a balance left running here of about 700 or 800. That is 4 trades in a month. I have hit my monthly target. Today is the 18th of May. Job done for the month. Or I go really ultra cautious now. But think on, guys, if you're trading $1 million funded, for every $1 million you have just made $50,000 from 4 trades. Catch you later. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel.